Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Today I am going to be talking to you all about a project that I love, Celer Network. Celer Network, I'm going to give you all the three T's. The three T's I like to talk about is the technology, the team, and the tokenomics. Okay, first of all, let me tell you a little bit about me. My name is Ida and I'm your crypto teacher. I bring you new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please click on like, subscribe, and share. And I like to say that, guys, sharing is caring, okay? So I'm not going to hold you all up. Let's go ahead and jump right into this project. So let's take a look at Celer Network. Celer Network is a layer 2 scaling platform, okay? And the symbol for Celer Network is CELR. First, let me talk about the technology. Like I already told you all, it is a layer 2 scaling platform. One of the major pieces of technology that runs on top of this platform is the C bridge. The C bridge is phenomenal. This particular C bridge basically is technology that allows liquidity providers to transfer value faster and more efficiently and cheaper across other layer 2 blockchains and other layer 2 protocols. Guys, that is huge. What Celer Network is bringing to the DeFi industry is something that's going to bring other people into the industry, making it easier and more affordable to do those types of transactions. Also, they only use the security of the layer 1 chain, and they can run with a lot of different chains that already exist. They also have a layer 2 finance, and basically their layer 2 finance technology is almost like the DeFi of transportation systems. That's another extraordinary project that runs in the Celer Network. They have, like I said, when Celer Network, the C bridge, and also their layer 2 finance project, they basically take what could have taken 7 days in terms of processing time for certain protocols to do certain transactions. They've gotten that down to 3 minutes. So guys, why is this technology important? Because they've taken something that used to take 7 days, they now have it down to a 3-minute time frame. That's huge. So that's why when I'm telling you all about the different utility that your project has, you want to make sure that your project has utility. And Celer Network, as you can see, it has great utility. Also, it helps with the DeFi system and liquidity providers. It has low transaction fees. Low transaction fees are a must. If you are using Ethereum for anything, or if you've used it, and I love Ethereum, it's a great project, Lord knows it is, but it's way too expensive. The gas fees are just too expensive. That is not, it's not realistic. It's not plausible that the ecosystem will grow, because people can't pay those type of fees to transfer value across a blockchain. Also, they've got a lot of different partnerships. They've got a lot of different companies that they provide support to. D4s, Mystico are their partners. They also support the Coinbase wallet. So they do a lot of good things that you may or may not know about. Finally, they have a great platform for SDKs. And SDKs, if you don't know, that is the software development kits. Guys, in order for a chain to grow, and in order for it to grow as ecosystem, you've got to have developers. Developers have got to be able to write and access your chain and be able to grow and develop applications based off of your chain. So they've got a great suite of SDKs. All right. Now let's talk about the team. They have 4 co-founders and they have a ton of other supporters. All of their co-founders are highly regarded computer scientists and engineers. Guys, the reason why you may not have heard about Celer Network is because these guys are just grinding. They are just keeping their nose to the ground, and they are just getting the work done. They have developed an extraordinary blockchain that not many people know about, but this is one of those secret gems, I assure you, the technology from this particular project is going to be needed. It's already needed. They've already had over $3 billion in transactions on their layer 2 platform from other protocols like Arbitron and Optimism. These guys have graduated from MIT, UC Berkeley, Princeton. They have a ton of partners. They've got the best education. And the only thing that I think that they really lack is marketing. I think if they had a great marketing team, they would be a lot more popular than they are. So the good thing for us is that because they don't have a big marketing team, we can get this project very cheap. But I own a lot of Celer Network. I've owned it for a very long time, and I continue to buy it every day because for me, Celer Network kind of reminded me of Matic, and they kind of work in a similar way. Celer Network they use a roll-up, they use roll-ups on their blockchain, and so Matic does something a little bit different, but I'm not talking about Matic. But anyway, Celer Network, I believe, is going to follow in the footsteps of Matic. Matic came out in about 2017. Celer Network came out around 2018, about a year later. So, but these guys here, they are geniuses. And I'm telling you that the technology that they are developing, the utility, it is going to be big and it's going to be necessary. In this space, guys, you've got to have patience. I tell you all the time, there's no get rich quick, but I promise you, you're going to wake up in 2 years, 3 years, and you're going to remember that Celer Network was only selling for, let me go into the tokenomics, 5 cents. Right now, you can get one token for about 5 cents. That is dirt cheap. Look at the chart on Polygon Matic. Remember how it went from 5 cents to all the way up to like almost $3? That's what these chains do, guys. Once they get the marketing and they get the exposure and people understand what the project does, they go up so fast and so parabolically, they never really come back down. Like I said, 5 cents is the current price. The all-time high was 19 cents around September of 2021. So right now you can get it for about a 74% discount. Guys, you're not going to see these kind of prices. That's why you got to get it. I'm telling you, Matic was about 5 cents, maybe about a year ago, a year and a half, and look at it now. It's breaching right on that $2 mark. So this is a chance for you to get in early. This technology, I'm telling you, you can read the white paper, but they have a phenomenal, this C bridge brings out a situation where it makes cross-chain processes available. And so remember this, it's not going to be one major chain. You need projects with utility that have cross-chain and interoperability abilities. That's what you need. And so finally, the market cap is only 287 million. 287 million, guys. There is a ton of room for Celer Network to grow. And then they're number 210 by market cap. So 210 is fine, because I'll look at right now, there's about what, 17,000 digital assets, because it keeps growing. It used to be 14, now it's 17,000. I'll take 210. I typically look at about the first 500 in terms of market cap from CoinGecko. And then finally, the total supply is only 10 billion. And the circulating supply is 5.6 billion. So guys, again, there's not like an absorbent number of tokens that exist. There's only 10 billion tokens. That is the total supply. So you can see this is a project that can move and it will move. So, all right. So guys, that's really all that I have. So remember, with Celer Network, you've got great technology, you've got a superb team, and you've got superb tokenomics. So this is a project that you may want to consider. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but you can't go wrong. This C bridge is not going anywhere. Take a look at their Twitter. You'll see all the different partnerships that they're coming up with on a daily basis. And I assure you, you will fall in love with this project just like I have. So that's all I have for now. Remember, my name is Ida. Please make sure you click on like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Remember, sharing is caring. That's all I have for today. Until next time, I am out.